my goodness, I am so hungry. Open the door, I need food. Beatrice, calm down now. We will get some food in a minute. Calm down. But I am so hungry. I haven't eaten in 5 days. Beatrice, you're lying. Of course you've eaten. You had a bagel just 2 minutes ago. A bagel's not a real food. I need good food. Let us inside. We need some food.